Growing into understanding. Grow into, explained. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a commonly used but often misunderstood phrase in the English language, grow into. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding these nuances can really bring your English to life. So, let's grow our knowledge together and get into the details of this interesting phrase. The phrase, grow into, can be understood in two main ways. 1. Physical growth. When we talk about physical growth, grow into often refers to someone, usually a child, getting bigger and eventually fitting into clothing or shoes that are too large for them at present. It implies that the person will increase in size over time. For example, don't worry if the shoes are too big, he'll grow into them by next year. 2. Developmental growth. The second meaning pertains to developmental growth. It's about acquiring skills, qualities, or roles as one gains experience or maturity. For example, she will grow into her role as a leader with time and mentorship. Now, let's look at how to use grow into in various sentences. It's important to recognize the context since it changes the way we interpret the phrase. Children and clothes, shoes. I bought this jacket a size bigger so you can grow into it. Roles and responsibilities. As he gains more experience, he will grow into the position of manager. Skills and hobbies. You may not be a great guitar player now, but you'll grow into it. Practice makes perfect. Grow into can be considered both a phrasal verb and an idiomatic expression. As a phrasal verb, it combines grow and into to convey a literal or metaphorical development. As an idiom, it expresses an idea that is more than just the sum of grow and into, particularly when we talk about roles and abilities. To master phrases like grow into, try the following tips. Contextual learning. Always pay attention to the context in which the phrase is used. Practice. Use the phrase in different sentences and situations. Listening. Hear how native speakers use grow into in movies, shows, and conversations. I hope this video has helped you grow into a better understanding of the English language. Remember, like any skill, language takes time to develop, and you're doing great by taking steps to learn and improve. Keep up the good work, and see you in the next video.